Hey, I'm going to show you how to use layers now in Photoshop. Layers are probably one of the most crucial parts of Photoshop, so it is very important that you learn the many uses of them. Let's start a new file, shall we? And I'm going to grab a couple of the files we've used. Let's get our friend back. And let's drag him as a new layer. I'm going to drag him across. Oh, forgot. Okay, I'll show you how to do this real quick. Because it's a GIF file, it doesn't like to be edited, so we're going to go to mode and convert him to a RGB color, and that should make him editable for us. As you can see now, he is able to be transferred to our new image. So we have our friend here in his own layer. We're going to duplicate that layer, and now we can do a whole bunch of things. I mean, once we have two layers open, we have a whole bunch of layer effects we can now use. As you can see, if we go through these different options, it affects the color of our original photo. If you want to, you can do a whole bunch of stuff really. If you want to make it look washed out, you can. Another nice effect, if you want to smooth out someone's face, let's say we want to take out some of the lines on his face, let's Gaussian blur the top layer, you know, go it up to about a 4.1 or whatever you like. Now I'm going to hold down Control or Command on a Mac, and I'm going to click on the Add Vector Mask. Actually, let's get out of that. Let's press Control and Add Layer Mask. As you can see, if you go through the various options, it does some pretty weird looking things with his face. Let's reverse these two around. There's a whole bunch of, well, it's not working very well for some reason. Let's delete that one. Let's go back. Alright, let's go back to normal. But yeah, anyway, there's plenty of things you can do using layers. So there you go, that's pretty much how we use layers in Photoshop.